guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Katelyn, and today we're diving into TikTok. So if you don't follow me already, follow me on TikTok at Katelyn McCaigue. I post a lot of my artwork there, as well as some other fun little videos, so I really appreciate the follow. But either way, today we're diving into my other video obsession, TikTok. And on TikTok, I have found there are so many amazing and creative creators and artists on the platform, and I just wanted to dive in and do some type of art involving one of the creators in particular. So the creator I'm talking about is Soggy Nugget. So some of you might have seen him from a couple of different videos, but one of my favorites is his Little Chef videos, as well as his other weird demon creatures. So I don't know, there's so many weird ones, like the little Trump's kind of weird, that tooth thing. But I think specifically I really like the ones where he's in the black morph suit, especially the Little Chef ones. I don't know. I don't know what it is about the Little Chef ones, but I think he's just so cool and creepy and very animated. And I think that's why I like him so much. I'm also always very impressed by the dexterity of whoever is in Little Chef with those little grabby claws. Very impressed indeed. So why I'm bringing this up specifically is because I want to draw some of his characters. So first of all, we're gonna start with Little Chef. And then I also really like the milk demons. I know they look simple, like just morph suits with weird faces on them, but I think we could draw both Little Chef and these milk demons as really gnarly, cool creatures. I think we could make something really awesome with them. So what I'm thinking of doing is I'm going to reference his TikToks, and we're going to recreate them in a really creepy, weird aesthetic, but still try to follow their overall character design, I guess. And I think I'm going to kind of draw them all together in one piece. I think it'd be really cool to have Little Chef in the middle, maybe with a milk carton, and the one I really like the most is the cheesy toasty, or the toasty cheesy, a grilled cheese type of thing. I think that's one of my favorite ones. Of course, we got to have the milk demons with other cartons of milk. So I don't know. I think we're going to just draw the trio together, and I'm really excited. So I got the reference in mind. I know what I'm drawing. We're going to jump in and make a really creepy, cool piece with, I'm going to call them TikTok cryptid demons, because I feel there's a lot of weird creatures and creations on TikTok that just feel like weird urban lore type of thing. So I'm going to call them cryptid demons. I know he does hashtag demon, but that's what I think they are. So either way, we're going to jump in, get some sketches going, and we'll bring Little Chef and the milk demons to life through art. Rainbow graphic. Wait, this is for Halloween. Make it a black and white rainbow to make it edgy and sad. You do it, Cameron. Shout out to my editor. If you guys haven't checked him out already, link is down in the description. Either way, let's jump in and get started. All right, let's jump in and get this piece started. So I wanted to start off with my favorite one, which is our Little Chef. I don't know why I like these TikToks so much. I have this weird, I don't know, obsession is the wrong word, but I really like the weird, creepy, cute combo, I guess, and they're just kind of weird, and I don't know, disturbing's not the right word. They're just weirdly quirky. I just really like the TikToks from Soggy Nugget, and I was like, all right, we're gonna start with our cool Little Chef, and I really wanted to kind of bridge the gap between the design of the original costume, but also wanted to make it look like it was some type of demon with weird saggy flesh that kind of mimics the shirt and the costume in general. And then with the milk demons, I kind of wanted to expand on them a little bit and also kind of be this weird globular structure. I kind of wanted weird wispies coming off of it. And for one of them, I added a weird tongue kind of going around the milk carton. I'm like, I think that'd be kind of cool and weird to be ooh, its face underneath the mask is kind of showing through with its weird tongue or something. And I really liked how their designs were looking overall. Like I said, I wanted to keep it kind of close to their original look. So it's kind of a combo of just adding more creepy details to something that was already created, I guess you could say. So with that, I was jumping in and starting the line art and trying to develop them even more, and just really adding lots of little lines for weird, creepy details. I think I've mentioned it in my other series where I convert childhood cartoon characters or video game characters into Dark Souls villains. And one of the things I noticed with a lot of creepy designs is adding lots of extra little details, I guess, like extra lines and texturing to the creatures, and that like adds some extra creepy element to it. And then for this one, I mentioned it towards the end, but this is my first piece on the channel using Clip Studio Paint. I've been taking a extra class on the side to learn this program slowly, and it was a little bit of a learning curve with this one. So this piece ended up taking a lot longer than anticipated, and yeah, it's just, I've been doing it on my iPad for class, and it was a little bit different on the desktop version, so I was like, all right, we're just gonna have to figure this out. But I really enjoyed developing this though overall, and just learning the tools slowly as I worked away on the desktop version. And I think it actually lended really well to how this was looking. I really liked adding the more, I guess, soft cell shading to it, and I wanted to add a couple of like hard cell shades here and there to just, I don't know, add a really good depth to the shading and shadows. I think I struggled the most with the white primary milk demon. I just couldn't really get his shadows to work at first, but then I was really digging how it was looking towards the end. And then in terms of the composition for this one, that I really struggled with at the beginning. I don't know, it went by so fast, I don't know if you guys even really noticed it, but I just could not get it to look balanced. And even here, when I was getting the painting done and working on this, I was still really struggling with it. I know that I wanted like I guess our main big tall boy. I wanted him to be in the middle, but it just was looking weird with the smaller milk demons. And so I just struggled with that back and forth, and in the end I end up putting him in the middle and kind of flipping some milk demons around, and it ended up working. I think when I started this off, it just didn't work in my brain, and I'm glad it just worked out in the end. And then I was trying out some of the filter tools, and I just wanted to put like a kitchen and add kind of like a creepy bathroom or background, not bathroom, a background of a kitchen, just to add that cool creepy element to it and put them in a really awesome setting. All right, guys, and we are all done with this piece, and I had a lot of fun, but it was way more time intensive than I thought it was gonna be. I just got really sucked into creating these characters, and then this is my first piece on the channel that I'm doing with Clip Studio Paint. I've been taking a class like every week to start learning this program because I really want to learn it for my comic, and I was like, let's just try making one for like a video or something. And I realized I didn't have the updated version and the tools were weird, so that all made it take a lot longer, but I think now I'm squared away, and it was fun trying to figure out this program while painting this for you guys. But either way, I am really happy with this. I had a blast. I think it was really fun to try to bridge the gap between what they actually look like in the video and then also converting them to weird, creepy, demon-esque like creatures. Like for our little chef boy, I really wanted to have those long, gangly limbs, but have it look like it's part of his skin, and like maybe it's like almost flesh but not flesh, and then have really cool like ripped pants, and then where the stilts are for the actor portraying it in the TikToks, I was like, oh, those would be cool if they were more like spikes type of things on this creature design. And then I had fun learning the word bubble tool in Clip Studio Paint, as well as adding like this cool jarbled text. That was really fun. I didn't know there was a text generator for that, so that was a fun thing to learn. But either way, I had a blast making this. I'm gonna totally convert this to a TikTok. So if you don't follow me already, I'm at KMcCaigue over on TikTok. I'd really appreciate a follow, a like, whatever you want to drop over there. But either way, thank you guys again so much for stopping by and checking out this video. I am really enjoying October and our little spoopy spectacular and doing like really creepy things each week. So if you guys would like to see more creepy content here in October, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and join our little nerdy community. But either way, thanks again so much for stopping by, and I'll see you all next time. Bye, everybody.